How to become an Uber driver in Canada without owning a car. Head to the Uber website and navigate to the vehicle solution. You'll find information about their vehicle partner program, which connects drivers with rental companies. Renting through Uber's partners often comes with perks like included insurance, unlimited mileage, and basic maintenance, making it a convenient and cost-effective solution. Second, meet Uber's driver requirements. While you won't need to own a car, you'll need to meet Uber's vehicle requirements, which typically include a four-door car that's 10 years old or newer and in good condition. Third, complete the Uber sign-up process. Upload the required documents, including your driver's license, proof of work eligibility, and insurance information. Select the rental option that best suits your needs and budget. Uber may require you to complete a driver training program, which will cover safety guidelines and app usage. Lastly, download the Uber Driver app, log into your account, and choose your preferred hours and days to drive. When a rider requests a ride in your area, you'll receive a notification, accept the request, and head to the pickup location.